Hello, just a quick note in the beginning. Tutorials are like this were recorded before we rebranded to LAKIOO. We have already released a new version of the Creator app, and everything you see in LAKIOO Creator can be used in LAKIOO Creator as well. We want to be more visible, and you can also be more visible with our app. Do you have a restaurant? And do you print your menu daily? It's time to show you how to do that simply and quickly. You only need an LCD monitor where the content will be displayed and LAKIOO software which helps you create content and send it to the screen. Hi, I'm Lukáš, and in this video I show you that's easier than you thought. I'm sure you will love it. Before I start creating project, I prepare the photos I want to use. I have prepared 3 photos of food and one that I will use as a background. I will put them here in the media library where I will create a folder. Right mouse click and create folder name Restaurant Info Kiosk, so that I know immediately where to look for my photos. Drag and drop files here, and now I go to a new project named Restaurant Info Kiosk and choose the orientation and resolution according to the screen I want to use. In case I made a mistake and didn't choose correctly, I can change it later in the project settings. First, drag and drop background widget. My media library automatically opened on the left side, where I open my folder Restaurant Info Kiosk and drag and drop the photo background. I will see how it will look later along with the text, but I think it will be necessary to use a blur. The top edge will be the name of my restaurant, that is, drag and drop the text widget, stretch it to the full width, double click to enable writing Restaurant Info Kiosk. I mark the text, change the font and size. Center the text. And now I fill the field with the specific color. I will also use outline field white color and shadow white color. Under the name could be date for which the offer is valid. Again, I will use text widget and write offer of the day. I change the color and font. And align the text to the right side. Now edit height of the widget. Okay. I will use a widget for date and it will automatically update every day. Again, double click or drag and drop to desired position. Here I will automatically see the names. I will turn it off in the properties of the widget in the tab by unclicking this checkbox. Change the font and color, and the size can now remain as it is. Now I get straight to the menu. I will have only one soup and without an image, so I will just drag and drop the text widget to the center and write soup. I will come up with, for example, a lentil soup, and it will cost, let's say, 3.5 euro. Now I will mark the text, change the font and center it. I need to highlight this text, so I will fill the field with specific color and mark the edges with red color. And the word soup can be with bold. Okay, this is how it can be. And now I come to the meals. So I have 3 meals. First, I insert the image widget by double clicking or drag and drop it into the canvas. I determine the dimension and center the position. Now I right click on the widget and select copy. Right click again and select paste. I get the same size widget, and now by clicking and holding down the left mouse button, I will move it to the left of the previous widget, where the smart guy function will help me place it in the middle between the border and the widget. I will put the widget on the right in the same way. And now, how do I insert image into this widget? I drag and drop the image to the marked active widget from the media library where I have prepared photos. I see that it doesn't fit correctly in the widget, so here in the widget properties, in the transform tab, in the image mode, I select from the options I want. In my case, I need to scale, fill and crop. I click and the image is placed nicely. I continue by inserting another picture. I click to the widget, the media library appears, and I drag and drop the second image. Again, the size doesn't fit correctly, I need to adjust the image. I'll use the scale to fill and crop again. I have the third image left, so drag and drop there. Now, if you don't like how it's cropped, you can edit it. Right next to it is a red icon and click it. You will see the edited section, and we can either enlarge or reduce it and move it to the acceptable place. By clicking OK, I will confirm it. I don't like the sharp edges of the image, I would like to edit it and make it a bit more attractive. I have two options. Use one of the cutouts or just round the corners. I quite like the circle cutout, so I'll use it for all three widgets. Great! I have the picture ready now, and I just have to insert description and price for each one. Of course, it's all up to you how you organize description and picture, so I'll just do it quickly. I insert text widget and place it right below the image. Double click and write menu 1. Now I will change the font and size. Bold and center the text. I will use fill the field and outline field. Now I copy the widget and put it under the others image. Double click to the widget and change the number to another. Are you asking, why don't I just put description of the food in this text widget? I tell you, because I want to use this form as a template and separate what I will change regularly and what will always be the same. So now I will use another text widget. I will also specify dimension and position under the image. And I will write specify font and center text. Specify fill the field color and outline field color. And now I copy and paste this widget and place it under the others images. Now I will change the name of the meal. And the last one. And finally, I need to give a price, and it fits nicely under the description. So I will also use text widget, stretch, determine the size and position. I will write price, mark, change the font and center text again. Now right click copy, right click paste, and place here second, and the last one here. If I want to change the price, I can make it by double clicking to the widget, and it's done. I click preview, and the page is done. It was really fast and easy. No special graphic programs, just photos of food, and you have it. Now that your basic template is ready, the other change will be even easier. Just edit the images, change the name of the meal, and you can send the project to the screen. Don't hesitate and make your work easier. I will give you a link to download the InfoKio software in the video description. You can see our other videos. If you have an idea what do you need but you don't know how to do it, leave me a comment under the video. I'll do my best to help you. See you in the next video. Stay creative and simply create.